Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to use Messenger Lite in 2024, you've come to the right place. So, as all of you know, Facebook Lite is a version of Facebook Messenger which is designed for low-end devices and slow internet connections. However, before we dive in, I want to tell you that there is no more Facebook Lite, so you cannot download it. But you can still use Messenger because Messenger has integrated Facebook Lite to Messenger, and now all functions which was in Facebook Lite there is in Facebook Messenger right now. So you can use Facebook Messenger freely instead of Facebook Lite, and there will be no problems by using it. So that's all you need to know about how to use Facebook Lite in 2024. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.